So now that it's warmer outside and I've got the winterizer out of the van, I thought I would address this monstrosity that hangs underneath it. So this is the gray water drain that Thor put on the sanctuaries. It hangs underneath your van. I'm surprised that it survived the entire winter with the way it's shaped, the way it hangs. I thought snow would have taken it off by now, but anyway, I don't like it. It hangs super low to the ground. It's shaped like a little anchor. So I'm going to change it. So my solution that I came up with, just a little piece of pipe, ball valve, pretty easy. It's 1 1/4 inch. This is 1 1/2 inch, so you do have to have a piece of PVC or ABS plastic that steps it down. Then standard hose connection on the end. So you can just hook a garden hose directly up to that, or if I wanted to, I could use a quick connect. So that would screw in the end, hard to do one-handed. And then a hose could, oh, maybe. It's probably 'cause I'm using my left hand. You could just quick connect a hose on the end of that to drain your gray water tank. It's only gray water. There's no reason to even need a 3-inch output. Not to mention it has to go through 1 1/2 inches anyway. So I'll go put this on the van. It's windy outside, so I thought I'd record this part in here and then show you what it looks like. So looking under here, just to explain some things. This right here is a 1 1/2 inch collar. This is attached to the tank. I've coated it in rubber so you can't really see it. This piece is kind of what I'm gonna run for winter, this cap on the end, but this is a 1 1/4 inch to 1 1/2 inch. So it's 1 1/2 inch threads over here, 1 1/4 inch threads back here. And then it has a PVC cap on the end. And I think for winter time, I'll probably keep it capped off. But you can see this is my setup. And then I'll be able to put my valve onto this. Another thing, from the factory, this is actually under there on the bottom. So I took the time, put it above this connection so it's not hanging down below. Yeah, there we go. So that's with the 1 1/4 to 1 1/4 ball valve placed on there. I actually got lucky with the threads, and the valve is it's up a little bit rather than sticking straight down. So I'll let you know how it goes. I like the look of it. It looks a lot better than what it used to. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll just keep posting stuff as I do it. Thank you.